Okay, welcome back to the second session. We will start up with a small test. Try and see. This test is not based on what we have covered. This test is a general test. So just see whether no, we have acclimatized ourselves to the test. Then let us look at. Maybe I will ask Emma madam or somebody else to read this test. Who wants to read? I will make it slightly bigger. I don't know. Yeah, now I think it's visible. Can anybody read, one of you? Maybe Emma madam and one more madam was there. Other than that, anybody wants to any volunteers for reading? One Rajesh was there. I remember one name was Rajesh. Who wants to read? Anybody? Come forward. Are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, maybe you can read, sir. What's your name?
Sir. Raj, sir.
Rajesh, yeah, you can read this.
Raj.
Okay, Raj.
A monkey climbs a greased pole, climbs up 3 meters, and slips down 2 meters in the alternative minute until he reaches the top of the pole. If the pole is 60 meters high, how long will it take to reach the top?
Yes, okay. Enough. We'll go one by one. I'll read it again. கொஞ்சம் ஸ்லோவாக படிங்க. A monkey climbs a greased pole, climbs up 3 meters and slips down 2 meters in the alternative minute until he reaches the top of the pole. If the pole is 60 meters high, how long will it take to reach the top? They've given option 120, 118 minutes, 116 minutes, 115 minutes. They've given. So just you can try, you attempt for 2 minutes, then we will discuss. So what is the possible answer?
Sir, it's 60 minutes, sir.
116 minutes. You
No,
say
60.
But options 120 பாருங்க 60 ஆ?
Yes, sir. Options இல்ல, sir.
இல்ல just check பண்ணுங்க whether you may be wrong also.
Yes, sir. Checking.
பிகாஸ் எல்லா ஆப்ஷனுமே அப்படி இல்லைங்க இருக்க முடியாது. ஏதோ ஒரு ஆப்ஷன் தப்பாக இருக்கிறதுக்கு வாய்ப்பு இருக்குது. மேபி மை டைப்பிங்கில் ஏதாவது தப்பு வந்துருக்கலாம். ஹேமா மேடம், வாட் இஸ் யுவர் ஆன்சர்?
I also thought 60 minutes, sir.
So just see what mistake you have done. 60 is not the right answer. That of course. See, it climbs 3 meters in 1 minute and slips down 2 meters in the next minute. So end of the 2 minute, how much it has climbed?
1 meter.
1 meter. So to climb 60, so 2 minutes 1 meter. So 60 meters means
120 minutes.
120 minutes. So is 120 is correct or is something else is correct? Just check.
120, sir.
120 you are saying?
119, sir.
120. Is there any other answer? 120 is not the right answer. That much I can tell you. Now you find the right answer.
118.
நல்லா பாருங்க கொஞ்சம். See, when they give, ஏதோ ஒரு catch இருக்கும். Some catch is there. What is that catch? So
Sir,
50.
115, sir.
Why 115?
Last 3 meters first we have to eliminate. If we eliminate that, we'll get 57 meters. For that 57 meters, it will take 114 minutes, and last 3 meters it will take 1 minute.
Why
So
you should
totally
why you
115.
should remove that 3 meters?
Sir, because they asked how long it will take to reach the top. Once it reaches the top, that time only we have to take. Again, if it slip down 2 meters, also we should not take that much.
Correct.
That's it.
Correct. That's right. So 57 meters means it will take 114 minutes. So in 140 minutes, the frog reached monkey reached 57 meters, and 115th meter, 115th minute, it will jump 3 meters and catch the top. The top catch பண்ணிட்டா slip ஆகாது இல்லையா? See, it's a greasy pole, no doubt. But then on the top, once you catch the top, then you will not slip down. So it is 115 minutes. Okay. Read the next question, Raju.
If rain is called winter, water, water is called air, air is called cloud, cloud is called sky, sky is called sea, sea is called road. Where do the aeroplanes fly?
Road, sir.
Road is the answer because aeroplanes fly in the sky, but sky is called sea and sea is called road. So road is the answer. Good. Go to the next question, third. Raju?
There was 100 birds on a tree. A hunter shot at them with a rifle, and 2 birds died. How many birds were left on the tree?
Sir, either it should be the 2 dead birds or else nothing.
What? Can you come again?
One option will be the 2 dead birds. Like if it was stuck in the tree after dying,
Okay.
then answer should be 2. If the 2 option is not there, then none of the
Yeah.
bird will be there.
Yeah,
After the shot, everything flies away.
Yeah. Because of the sound, it will fly away. The 2 birds assume that it has fell down on the ground. 2 birds, they have said it's died. So they have not said fell down on the ground. It was not said. Maybe that is the assumption you can make. Go to next. Raju?
By how much is 2/5 of 200 greater than 3/5 of 125?
What is the answer? By how much is 2/5
Sir,
of
5, sir.
200 greater than 3/5 of 125? Are you getting 5, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that is 2/5 of 200 is equal to 80. 3/5 of 125 is equal to 75. So difference is 5. Go to next, Raju.
Find the odd one out. China, India, Pakistan, Australia.
Australia, sir.
Why?
Sir, India, China, and Pakistan are in Asia, sir, but this is in Oceania.
So that is one logic. Is there any other logic?
These three are neighboring
Australia
countries.
is island, sir.
Australia is a continent.
Yes.
All others are countries. Am I correct?
Yes.
Yeah, it could be any logic. No, there is no hard and fast rule on the logic. Depending on the option, maybe you have to thrive on those logics. Go to next, Raju.
On a highway, at every 100th meter, one electric pole is installed. Then how many poles are installed on the way measuring 1 kilometer?
1 kilometer, yeah. On a highway, at every 100th meter, one electric pole is installed. Then how many poles are installed on the way measuring 1 kilometer?
11, sir.
Why 11, madam?
So 1000 meters.
Hmm.
That starting also we should count, no, sir. Starting,
Yeah,
one pole will
very
be
good,
there, and
very
after
good.
that,
Yes.
10.
இந்த மாதிரி ப்ராப்ளத்தில் வாட் யூ ஷுட் டூ இஸ் இந்த 1000 மீட்டர்ஸ் விட ஒரு 200 மீட்டர் எடுத்துக்கங்க. யூ டேக் 200 மீட்டர்ஸ். you will keep one, and then the 100 meter another one, and 200 meter another one. So for 200 meters you need 3. Similarly, for 1000 meters you need 11. Like that you can do. Okay. Maybe we will try another some 3 or 4 problem, then we'll go back. Find out. Read Raju, 7th one.
Ram is the 30th person in the queue, both from the front and back. How many are there in the queue?
He is the 30th from the front and 30th from the back.
$59.
59. அவ்வளோதான் சிம்பிள். ஓகே. ஹவு மே அடுத்த கேள்வி நெக்ஸ்ட் ஃபாஸ்ட்.
How many ones are there between 1 to 99?
How many, if you write, actually the question இப்படி இருக்கும், if you write 1 to 99, how many times you will write 1 அப்படின்னு இருக்கும். If you write 1 to 99, how many times you will write 1? What is the answer?
21, sir.
21. Okay. One answer is 21. Is there any other answer? How did you get 21, madam? Can you just explain?
So in starting 1 and in 10 to 19.
Okay.
In 11 to we have 2 1. So 10 to 19 it's maybe 11 1, and starting 1 is 1 and 12. And starting 21, 31, 41, 51, 61, 71, 81, 91, 100, we have 1 1, 9, so totally 21.
No, 100 is not, 1 to 99 only is asked.
Okay, sir. It comes under 20.
பார்த்தீங்களா ஹேமாவா இது யார் பேசுனது?
Harini.
Harini, you just see, we know this answer எல்லாருக்கும் தெரியும். Not even a single out of some 55 students, all 55 will know, but still we may go wrong. இப்போ the question says 1 to 99, Harini has taken 1 to 100. Okay, so like this we may go wrong. Even though the mental ability is easy, we go wrong because we don't have concentration, focus. Absolute concentration is required. The kind of concentration you require, I will tell you, when you go walk on the GST road. GST road na theriyuma enga irukune? Which is the GST road in Chennai? You know that? Where is this Savita College in Chennai? Which road is this? Hello, are you able to hear me?
Bypass road, sir.
No, which bypass
Poonamala
road?
High Road.
Huh?
Poonamala High Road.
Poonamali High Road. Okay, where is this Poonamali High Road? Which part, which place is that? Porur?
Velapanchavadi.
Eh?
Velapanchavadi.
Velapanchavadi. Okay. In Velapanchavadi, when you walk in the Velapanchavadi, you should be able to hear the sound of the crow. Can you do that? Will you get the sound of the crow? Are you able to listen the sound of the crow? You cannot, because there's so many traffic, so much of noises from the vehicles, etc. But your concentration should be such, you should be able to hear the crow, sound of the crow on the Velapanchavadi. முடியுமா? முடியுமான்னு கேட்குறேன். So that is the kind of concentration you need for this exam if you want to be successful. If you want to be successful, not only your knowledge, not only your mathematical skill, but you need the absolute concentration, understand the question thoroughly, read it twice, get focused, Find out what is the catch involved in this particular question. What the examiner's trick, what is the trick of the examiner, and then you answer, you will be successful, you will get 100 out of 100. Otherwise, you will lose the battle. So it is in Velappan Javadi, you should be able to hear the sound of the kurvi or crow. That is the kind of concentration you need. And it is not
Yes,
impossible.
sir, we can hear, sir, in our college.
What, madam?
So we can hear a crows and sparrows noise in our college campus in the trees.
You can't.
We can hear, sir.
You can. But Velappan Javadi road, in the road you will hear?
No, sir.
That's what I'm saying. I'm not talking about inside the college. Velappan Javadi road, that because of the sound of the vehicles you may not be able to hear. But if you are very keen, take an ornithologist there. Who is the ornithologist? Ornithologist is a man who studies about birds. Our konde and the Velappan Javadi udunga. You may be able to hear all the sounds of everything. Crow, kurvi, even lizard, everything you will hear. So that is the kind of content you need for this. You need absolute jnanam, dhyanam kind of stuff you need. Then you will be highly successful. Okay. Right. I skip all other 9, 10, 11, 12 because all are direction sense. I think it's not difficult for you. We'll go back to the, what is that? Our, what all we have done. So we will go to the first slide. What all we have done. We have done direction sense, blood relationship, number analogies, letter analogies, verbal analogies, coding, decoding, deductions. 7 chapters we have completed. Let's go to the 8th chapter. So 7 into 2, 14 marks are there in your pocket. Just check your pocket, you will get 14 marks. Clock. Can anybody read this? Raju has read. Who else wants to read? Raju, other than Raju, Hema and one more lady, one more girl. Rajesh, can you read this? Rajesh is there? யாரோ ஒருத்தர் read பண்ணுங்க. Okay, this slide I will read, but next slide onwards. Clock. They will give a clock, they will give a time, and they will ask you to find the angle between the hour hand and the minute hand. In a clock, there are 3 hands. One is called hour hand, that is Mani Mul, and the minute hand, Nimida Mul, and the second hand, second Mul. So here, for our exams, normally they don't consider that second hand, otherwise varad. They may ask you, they may give you a time. They will ask you to find the angle between the hour hand and the minute hand. So, for example, if the time is 3 o'clock, what is the angle between the hour hand and the minute hand? If the time is 3 o'clock, what is the angle between the hour hand and the minute hand? You visualize the clock.
90 degrees.
90 degree. Okay. So now I read this basics. Minute hand covers 360 degree angle in 60 minutes. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
So in 1 minute, it covers 6 degree. In 1 minute, it covers 6 degree angle. Okay. Hour hand covers 360 degree angle in 12 hours. In 1 hour, it covers 30 degree. This is the basics you should keep in your mind. With this, you can solve these problems. Okay. Or one picture. This is how the minute hand and hour hand and second hand looks like. This we all know. Some more diagram. So in 1 minute, it covers 6 degree. That is the minute hand. In 2 minutes, it covers 12 degrees. In 3 minutes, it covers 18 degrees. In 4 minutes, it covers 24 degrees. In 5 minutes, it covers 30 degrees. Okay. This is how you should visualize in your mind. Then take, okay. What is the angle between minute hand and hour hand when the clock shows 3 hours 20 minutes? Approximately, 3 hours 20 minutes by drawing a small diagram in your mind.
So 120 degrees.
What, madam? How much?
120 degrees.
No, angle between the hour hand and the minute hand when the time is 3:20. 120 varade. Paranga.
30 degrees, sir.
30, sir. 30.
Is it 30 or less than 30?
Less than
Less than 30. It has to be less than 30, but we don't know how much. But எப்படி கரெக்டாக கண்டுபிடிக்கிறதுன்னு பார்க்கலாம். Angle made by minute hand is 120. You take 12 o'clock as the reference. 12 o'clock is the reference. At 12 o'clock, the minute hand will lie on the other hand. ஒன்றுக்கு மேலே ஒன்று படுத்திருக்கும். அப்போ the angle between those two hands will be 0. That's the reference point. So at 20 minutes, at 3 hours 20 minutes, 20 minutes மட்டும் எடுத்துப்போம். 20 minutes, the minute hand would have made 20 into 6, 120 minutes with the reference point. The reference point is 12 o'clock. And the hour hand is 3 hours 20 minutes is 320 by 60 or 3 1 by 3 hours. So in 1 hour, hour hand will cover 30 degree நம்ம பார்த்தோம். So 3 1 by 3, that is 10 by 3 hours. How much it will cover? 100 degree. இல்லையா? 3 hour 20 minutes நீங்கள் அப்படியே இதாக கன்வெர்ட் பண்ணுங்கள், அவராக கன்வெர்ட் பண்ணால் 320 by 60, 3 1 by 3, that is equal to 10 by 3. In 1 hour, our hand will cover 30 degree. So in 1 by 3 hours, it will cover 10 degree. In 1 hour, it will cover 30 degree. So in 10 by 3 hours, it will cover 100 degree. So the angle made with the reference point by our hand is 100 degree, by minute hand is 20 degree. The angle between these two hands is 20 degree. So by minute hand is 120 degree, the angle between the two hands will be 20 degree. புரியுதா? இல்லை கன்ஃபியூஸ் ஆயிடுச்சா?
புரியுது சார்.
கன்ஃபியூஸ் ஆகலையே?
நோ சார்.
ஆமாம், ஓகே. இன்னும் 1 or 2 ப்ராப்ளம் போட்டால் உங்களுக்கு வரும். கோ டு கொஷன் நெக்ஸ்ட்டில், அந்த நெக்ஸ்ட் டிப்பிக்கல், அதுக்கு கொஷன் வித் ஆப்ஷன்ஸ் இருக்குல்ல அது. When the time is 4:20, the angle between the hand is 0, 15, 20, 40. 10 ன்னு போட்டிருக்காங்க. எது கரெக்ட்? 4:20.
0, sir.
நல்லா பாருங்க. இப்போ இதில் வந்து யார் இப்போ 0 சொன்னது? அவர் சார் பேர்
சாய் சுந்தர் சார்.
சாய் சுந்தர். நம்ம எல்லாரும் தெரிஞ்சுக்க வேண்டியது என்னென்னா, நம்ம ஆன்சரே பண்ணாமல் கூட விட்டுறலாம், ஆனால் தப்பாக மட்டும் ஆன்சர் பண்ணக்கூடாது. அவசரப்பட்டு நம்ம இந்த காலேஜ் எக்ஸாமில் எழுதிட்டு பண்ணுறோம்ல, அதெல்லாம் நடக்கக்கூடாது. எனி காம்படிட்டிவ் எக்ஸாம், மெனி பீப்புள் லூஸ் பிகாஸ் தே ஆர் இன் அ ஹரி, ஆர் தே கம் டு ஏ கன்க்ளூஷன் தட் இதுதான் ரைட் ஆன்சர்னு அந்த வேறு ஆப்ஷனையே திங்க் பண்ணாத ஒரே ஒரு காரணம் தான். அறிவு கூட இல்லை, நாலேஜ் இஸ் தேர் வித் மோஸ்ட் ஆஃப் தெம், பட் தென் தே மேக் எ மிஸ்டேக் பிகாஸ் ஏன்னா ஸ்கூல்லையோ காலேஜ்லேயோ என்ன பண்ணுறோம், இப்போ நீங்கள் 0னா இல்லைப்பா 0 இல்லைப்பான்னு சொல்கிறதுக்கு ஒரு ஆள் இருக்கும். பட் தென் இந்த எக்ஸாம் ஹாலில் யாரும் இருக்க மாட்டாங்க இல்லையா? அதனால் இப்போது 20 டிகிரிங்கிறதுனால அந்த மினிட் ஹேண்ட் வில் மேக் 120 டிகிரி, தட் வி நோ. ஸோ 4 hours 20 minutes மீன்ஸ் 420 by 60 ஆர் 4 1 by 3 ஆர் 13 by 3 hours. In 1 hour it will make 30 degree, means in 13 by 3 hours it will make 130 degree. அப்போ ரெண்டுக்கு வித்தியாசம் என்ன?
10 degrees.
10 degrees. ஸோ இது வந்து 0 கிடையாது. இப்போது when the answers are very close, கொஞ்சம் கேர்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்கணும். ஆன்சர்ஸ் வந்து இப்போ 10 டிகிரிக்கு பதிலாக 10, 12, 15, 16, 17 கொடுத்தா நம்ம வேறு வழியே இல்லை, நீங்கள் கேல்குலேட் பண்ணால் பண்ண முடியாது. பட் த ஆன்சர்ஸ் ஆர் கிவன் லைக் தி 0, 10, 30, 40 அப்படின்னா நீங்கள் அப்ராக்சிமேட்டாக நீங்கள் இப்போ அந்த ஒரு விஷுவலைஸ் பண்ணியே கூட போட்டுடலாம். யூ கேன் விஷுவலைஸ் த பிக்சர் அண்ட் தென் யூ கேன் டூ இட். ஓகே, கோ டு டிபிக்கல் ப்ராப்ளம் 2. ஹேமா, கேன் யூ ரீட் திஸ்? Emma, can you read typical problem 2 in the screen?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. A clock is to show the correct time at 9 a.m. A clock gains 10 minutes a day. What will be the true time when the watch indicates 2 p.m. next day?
A clock is to show the correct time at 9 a.m. but it gains 10 minutes a day. அப்படி என்ன அர்த்தம்னா 1 hour 1 day முடிச்ச அடுத்த நாள் வந்து 9 am காமிக்கு பதிலாக 9 am 10 minutes காமிக்கும். அதான் it gains means it is ஃபாஸ்ட்டாக ஓடுதுன்னு அர்த்தம். 9. அப்போ what will be the true time when the watch indicates 2 p.m. next day? In 24 hours, it gains 10 minutes. அப்புறம் அனதர் ஒரு 5 ஹவர்ஸ் இருக்குது. 24 ஹவர்ஸ்னால் அடுத்த நாள் 9 மணி. அப்போ இருந்து 2 மணினா 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 5 ஹவர்ஸ். அந்த 5 ஹவர்ஸில் it will gain approximately 2 minutes. So total gain is 12 minutes. So when the watch indicates 2 p.m., the actual time will be 1:48. Yes or no? Because it gained 12 minutes. அதனால் புரிஞ்சுதா ஹேமா? அதர்ஸ்?
Sir.
ஹரி சுந்தர், ஹரி இப்போ கூப்பிட்டாரே ஹரி, அவரு எல்லாம் புரிஞ்சிச்சுங்களா? ஹரி சுந்தர், ஹரி, ஆர் யூ ஏபிள் டு அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட்?
எஸ் சார்.
ஆமாம்மா, நீங்கள் ரியாக்ட் பண்ணுங்கள், இல்லைன்னா எனக்கு நம்ம தப்பாக சொல்லிட கொடுக்கக்கூடாது. நம்பர் 1. நம்பர் 2, உங்களுக்கு புரியாமல் அவள் அடுத்தடுத்து போனோம்னா அப்படியே புரியாமல் அது அக்யூமுலேட் ஆகிட்டே போகும். அப்புறம் யூ வில் லூஸ் இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட், டிஸ்இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் வந்துடும். ஓகே, ஸோ நவ் வி ஹவ் சீன் கிளாக்கில் இப்போ நம்ம இதை எக்ஸாம்பிள் பண்ணியாச்சு. அதுக்கப்புறம்